you really still on about it?
It's just making me feel like I'm stuck in time or something. I just feel that the case is going cold. We can't just leave it there unsolved. All the evidence we had is gone, which means there were definitely prints. But how are we supposed to get it back? I don't know. I feel like it's right next to me, the answer. You know, like it's watching over me or something. It's becoming obsessive. So the body was found on May 6th at around 1300 hours.
She was found with a screwdriver in her side with an umbrella laying over her.
The screwdriver was bought by cash from the local hardware shop, and the umbrella's untraceable. We should look at this crime chronologically.
She had presumably walked up that path.
More likely to be that one there.
Late lunch, her stomach was empty.
Where do you think she was going? Late lunch, I guess.
Just like
We'll wait here.
Look, the time on the clock never changed.